Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about Geography Unit 6 Industry. First you see Introduction. Industry is a process by which the raw materials are changed into finished products. Many raw materials are not fit for human consumptions. The economic strength of a country is always measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Therefore, any country in the world is basically depends on the effective growth of industry for its economic development. Next one you see basic of economic activities. The basics of economic activity is divided into three types. First one, primary economic activities, and example raw cotton production. And second one, secondary economic activities, example spinning mill. And third one, tertiary economic activities, example trade and transport. First one you see primary economic activities. These are the economic activities which have been originated in the very beginning. It includes the activities such as forestry, grazing, hunting, food gathering, fishing, agriculture and mining. Next one you see secondary economic activity. Secondary economic activities are those that change raw materials into usable product through processing and manufacturing. Bakeries that make flour into bread and factories that change metals and plastic into vehicles are example of secondary activities. And next one you see tertiary economic activity. Tertiary economic activity are those that provide essential services and support the industry to function. Often it is called service industry. This level include the transportation, finance, education, housing, medical and etc. Tertiary activity is further subdivided into quaternary and quinary activities. Next one you see factors responsible for location of industries. Industrial locations are complex in nature. They are influenced by the availability of many factors. Some of them are raw materials, land, water, labor, capital, power, transport and market, etc. The location factors of industry are grouped into geographical factors and non-geographical factors. Geographical factors: raw materials, power, labor, transport, storage and warehousing, topography, climate and water resources. Classification of industry. Industry are classified on various bases in the following ways. On the basis of raw materials, first one you see agro-based industries. These industries use plant and animals-based products as their raw materials. Example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile and dairy products and etc. Second one, mineral-based industries. These are the industry that use mineral ores as their raw materials. Example, cement, machine tools. And third one, marine-based industry. This industry use products from the sea and ocean as raw materials. Example, seafood, fish oil and etc. And fourth one, forest-based industry. These industry use forest products as their raw material. Example, furniture, paper, etc. On the basis of size and capital is divided into two types. First one, large scale industries and small scale industry. First one you see large scale industry. The capital required for the establishment of an industry is more than 1 crore. The industry is called as large scale industry. Example, iron, steel, cement, textile industries, etc. Second one you see small scale industries. The capital required for the establishment of an industry is less than 1 crore. The industry is called as small scale industry. Example, silk weaving and household industries. On the basics of ownership is first one, private sector industries, second one, public sector industries, third one, joint sector industry, and fourth one, cooperative sector industries.